Stop wasting your money on supermarket night creams that are filled with chemicals and empty promises. Today, I'm showing you how to make the most powerful, all-natural lifting and anti-wrinkle serum right in your own kitchen. This isn't just a moisturizer. It's a potent, chemical-free treatment that actually works. I've made 2 bottles today, one for me and one for my husband. We are both obsessed. What you'll need. To get started, you only need a few high-quality ingredients. The star of the show is Jamaican Dark cold-pressed hexane-free castor oil. Using this specific type is the secret to maximum potency. You'll also need organic argan oil for deep hydration, organic geranium essential oil for that natural lift, organic frankincense essential oil, which is incredible for smoothing out fine lines. For the application, I highly recommend using amber glass roll-on bottles. The amber glass protects the oil from light, and the roller ball makes it so easy and mess-free to apply. This is so quick to put together. Let's mix it up. Start with 2 tablespoons of the thick Jamaican castor oil. Add 1 tablespoon of your organic argan oil. Next, add the magic. 6 drops of geranium oil and 6 drops of frankincense oil. Once you've added everything to your glass jar, give it a good shake to ensure those essential oils are fully incorporated. That's it. You've just made a serum more powerful than luxury brands in under 2 minutes. For the best results, use this every single night on a clean face. Massage it in and let those oils work their magic while you sleep. Over time, you'll notice it lifting the skin and clearing away wrinkles. I've stopped buying expensive creams entirely. Every time our bottles run out, I just refill them. It's become a staple in our household because the results are undeniable. I want you to experience these results for yourself. I've linked all the exact products I used, including these convenient glass jars, in the description box below and in the first pinned comment. You can source the highest quality versions of these ingredients in your own country and start your journey to better skin today. If you enjoy this natural beauty tip, don't forget to like and subscribe for more homemade remedies.